Recently had a client face an issue where the color filter was not filtering out the products correctly. So as you can see, I'm checking on black, and this singular product over here that is a black product is not coming through. The reason that is because this product has a color option, which was set up properly in the search and discovery filters. So color option is the only thing that's working here. And the real issue is this product that comes from Shopify Collective doesn't have a color variation option. And if I add one, it will actually be replaced if Shopify Collective updates their product here. So that's not an option. What we found was if we create a category metafield down here that is actual color, we can connect to those options and make the filters work properly. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Right now, the category of craft dyes doesn't actually have color as a metafield. You might be seeing that. And we found a solution here, which is coming back out and finding a different different category here that actually comes up with the suggestion of color, which is really nice. So I'm going to accept that. And I'm actually going to change that back to where it was beforehand. And so now we see color as an option in the category metafields. What's nice about that is it's a Shopify default, so it's going to come in with a bunch more colors and different options here for future editions. If we come back over to the other product in the catalog that has color as a variation option, we can see that it's in the same category here, and color is an option. And we're going to go through and add black and also white. You can type in there and search, which is really nice. Just save that real quick. And the most important part here is in the variation of the option. So if I click on color, I actually want to click this button here called Connect Metafield. And what that's going to do is use that metafield from the category below and map those two together. And once I hit done there and save, now color is based on this category metafield. So nothing has changed yet on the catalog. This is still using the old filter. So you actually have to come out into the search and discovery free app that Shopify offers, visit your filters, and you can see this old one for color here. And what I do is delete this so that none of the names conflict. And I'm going to add a new filter, and the source is going to be category metafield for the color instead of the old one there that was product options. So I'm going to click on that. And by default, when you do this, it's going to actually ask for a swatch, which looks okay. I can show you in a second here. If we refresh this page, it's going to give you this tile color, which is not preferable in my case, so I'm going to switch that out by hitting Manage Values and checking that swatch off. And so now I just want the value to be the name. See that black filters out both products, and that's because they are now using this category metafield. So as long as they're the same name, they'll actually be able to filter together, solving that issue.